is a Amiri inspired, not the copy.
Yeah,
Inspired.
inspired,
I'm really
yes.
clearing this out. Okay, and I'm the founder of Untrain, and I'm here with
Tanmay.
He runs a manufacturing, and we are here to get some insight कि भाई actually supply chain work कैसे करती है, what really goes on to create these kind of style, okay, and how much do these kind of style cost, and इस पे printing कैसे काम करती है, puff printing कैसे काम करती है, because there's a lot of misconception जो नए नए लोगों को नहीं पता. तो he's here to tell us a bit of insight of how really things work, है ना. So
Yes.
Tanmay, tell us about little bit about yourself कि आप क्या करते हो, what you do, and then we'll
Yes.
proceed.
Yes. So I am Tanmay. I run Thagar clothing company.
Okay.
We are based out of Tirupur
हाँ.
in Tamil Nadu. काफी दूर है दिल्ली से.
Yeah,
काफी दूर है. Our city is mainly known everywhere for
हाँ.
manufacturing
कपड़े के
garments.
लिए.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what we do is my company हम लोग सिर्फ mainly oversized t-shirts पे focus करते हैं.
Streetwear.
Yes, I mean we didn't want to do that, but since January 2023, demand is like heavily focusing the Indian market itself. जो भी startup कर रहे हैं, everybody is inclining towards oversized t-shirts.
हाँ.
So that is what I have been specializing on lately. But yes, we cater to.
Show us a bit of what do you create actually?
Yes.
What kind of? Then
yeah, sure. This particular t-shirt, it's made of French terry, and 240 GSM bio-washed French terry, basic stuff. इसके ऊपर this particular brand called Toffel, they have done acid wash and then non-PVC printing.
Okay.
Yeah,
this one
I'll show you.
This looks like
sure.
a basic streetwear that everybody wants to create.
Yes.
This one looks like that.
2XL sized, oversized t-shirt, proper Indian size shirt. Right. This has like 5 color printing on the back. It's got 3 non-PVC and 2 puff. So that is how it works.
Okay. So how much will this kind of a cost? Like if I want to create this kind of.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll tell you. This brand, when they wanted to start it out, they approached us for 100 pieces.
100 pieces.
Right? Yeah. For 100 pieces के लिए हम इतना सा फैब्रिक उठा के knit करके डाई करके दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Again, printing it इतने सारे screens just for 100 pieces is going to be a really big hassle.
Yeah.
So we gave them 2 options, like you either get 100 pieces made or let's say you have 800 pieces made, right?
800.
Yeah, that was their actual quantity. Like, अगर if this works out, if the market respects us, if
testing.
the market loves us, correct. The 100 pieces that was testing.
The product and
अगर test हो चुका है तब ठीक है, then 800 pieces they were going to go for.
Okay.
And they had 5 different sizes: S, M, L, XL, XXL.
Double XL. So this looks like the basic blue orange kind of the one you
हाँ बिल्कुल सबको आजकल वही चाहिए ना, मतलब रेफरेंस के लिए भी हमको वही देते हैं,
रेफरेंस
इस तरह चाहिए.
यार मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पता क्या है कि यार तुम एक ब्रांड को देख के कॉपी करके ब्रांड मत बनाओ.
हाँ, यस, हैव योर ओन आइडेंटिटी.
यस, मैंने अभी एक वीडियो बनाई है उसके ऊपर कि व्हाट इज अ ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी. लाइक पीपल डोंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ विजन, दे जस्ट वांट टू create oversize and think that it will sell.
Yes,
it won't sell.
Yes,
it won't sell like that.
This actually reminds me of something cool. This particular brand, this person, they came over, they're based out of Ahmedabad. They came over and they said, we don't want to do what they're doing, right? मुझे हमारी अलग पहचान करनी है, हमको फैब्रिक ही नहीं इस्तेमाल करना है. तो they use something different what nobody else has used before. Interlock. हाँ, वो फैब्रिक में ज्यादा कोई ओवरसाइज बनाता नहीं था.
नहीं.
So these guys came over and they said, we'll do this.
Okay.
And they started off with interlock and it's good.
Okay.
Market loves them.
This is nice. Like I like this.
अपने prints
I like this.
Right? Now they are upgrading to.
This is like the label we print on.
Shipping label.
Yes, shipping label.
उसके उनके coordinates है वगैरह.
Yes. So if I scan this one,
उनके वेबसाइट पे जाएगा.
This will get me on their website. Nice.
And now they are upgrading to 240 GSM interlock.
240 GSM.
Like
how plain one.
Yeah, better than a French terry, I would say.
Yeah.
काफी smooth है, काफी premium भी लग रहा है.
यार मेरा एक वो है, मतलब like यार आप इतना भारी पहन के इंडिया की गर्मी में कैसे करोगे? मुझे ये नहीं समझ आता.
True. ये है इंडियंस के लिए 160 GSM. ये अपनी गर्मी के लिए, अपनी कंफर्ट के लिए. भाई यूरोप में भी ये चलता है, उनको भी GSM सादे से टी-शर्ट्स पे नहीं चाहिए. 240
का मतलब है, मतलब if you are going for a heavy one, so you are trying to create something premium, but you have to keep in mind कि भाई इंडिया में थोड़ा.
I actually asked this question to one of the brand owners, and he told me कि see, I've understood my target audience very clearly. ये टी-शर्ट जो ले रहे हैं उनके घर पे एसी है, कार में एसी है, ऑफिस में एसी है,
so मतलब
उनके लिए है.
So the target is tier 2, tier 1,
one only, जो भी नहीं, tier 1
or upper middle और rich,
बिल्कुल
like tier 1.
बिल्कुल
I'll say.
बिल्कुल
Okay. So
ये उस रेंज के लिए है जिनको सीजन का लेना देना नहीं है.
yeah. Well, I'm not much of a fan of oversize. I'm much of a fan of fitted clothes. Like
Yes.
you can
Correct.
look sleek and that.
Correct.
Oversize is like what I think is why it's very overhyped.
Yes.
It's overhyped because of a few brands, I guess. And ठीक है, मतलब it's fine, but oversize में ना you have to create something extra, like at least give something. The print is not everything. Print
Yeah.
थोड़े टाइम में उड़ जाएगा.
उड़
You have
जाएगा.
to work on the
The
fabric.
fabric, it has to last.
Yes, because
बंदे को 3-4 बार जब प्रिंट भी आधा निकल चुका है फिर भी he should be comfortable with
हाँ,
it. Yes.
because the thing is people don't understand how the supply chain works, and if you want to create a good product, like exceptional product, if you're targeting tier 1,
Yeah.
है ना, someone is paying 4,000 for a
Yes.
t-shirt, so the quality is expected. You have to give the best quality everywhere. There should be detail,
Yes.
right? So like my point is कि आप low MOQ में वो नहीं create कर सकते.
नहीं.
You can't create that because
Difficult है लेकिन yeah, yes.
difficult बहुत यार. एक बात बताओ, the supply chain works. There is this yarn supplier,
हाँ.
then comes fabric supplier,
Yeah.
then comes you, the manufacturer,
Yes.
then comes the brand,
Yes.
right? So how are you going to like maintain the profit range in the 100 pieces? है ना? You
नहीं, नहीं,
understand
makes sense,
what
makes
I'm
sense.
trying to
बिल्कुल
say,
बिल्कुल
right?
बिल्कुल I understand.
Right?
Yeah.
कि अगर आप ये चीजें नहीं समझते तो आप like आप बेसिक चीजों को इग्नोर कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
मैं बना लो, ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Yes.
लाइक अगर आपको 100 पीस बनाने और आप हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी, यू वांट द फैब्रिक शुड बी एक्सपोर्टेड, कोई और ब्रांड ना यूज कर रहा हो, राइट? सो
काफी-
फॉर दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस.
यान से शुरू करना पड़ेगा.
यस,
Yes.
कि वहां पे क्या कॉस्टिंग आती है, यहाँ क्या कॉस्टिंग आती है, क्योंकि एवरीबॉडी विल कीप देयर प्रॉफिट,
Yes.
बिकॉज कोई फ्री में काम करने नहीं
Yes.
बैठा है. ये फैक्ट है,
Yes.
है ना? और आप किसी को भी ये कह दो कि भाई हम 100 ट्रायल एंड एरर करेंगे, उसके बाद भाई ऐसे
Yeah,
नहीं
no,
होता.
no, happens. See, this brand, no, they were like very adamant.
हाँ.
मैंने बोला कि भाई 1000 पीस बना दो, ऐसा फैब्रिक है,
हाँ.
आपको 100 पीस में लेके आना मुश्किल है.
हाँ.
They were like, आप करो, खर्चा होगा, ज्यादा होगा, हम देने तैयार हैं.
तो
I'm like completely fine. Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah. So at 800 pieces,
हाँ.
this particular piece, इतना बड़ा size chart के साथ,
हाँ.
we could finish it off at
How much
325
does
rupees.
this cost?
Yeah, 325 rupees.
325.
Yeah, they're retailing it at, I have no idea. Like they are retailing
Yeah,
at 3,000 whatever.
अच्छा.
Right? 325 rupees. We've sold them.
With
100 pieces.
With print.
Yes, with print, with
With
everything,
print.
with
Yeah,
उनका
nice.
label and all. Now उनको जब 100 पीस शुरू करना था ना, तब cost will shoot up.
हाँ.
वो 100 पीस राउंड के लिए पर पीस का 800 रुपए हो जाएगा.
Per piece 800.
800, correct.
So let me
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
put it in simple way to understand everybody.
Yeah.
तो अगर हम 100 पीसेस बना रहे हैं, तो
हाँ.
मिनिमम हमको 100
हाँ,
पीसेस,
हो जाएगा.
तो उसका प्राइस जाएगा 800 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग.
Yes, for that design.
अगर हम 800 पीसेस बना रहे हैं, so that goes down to
Very
300
down.
around.
Yes.
Okay. So यही तो मेरा point है.
Yes, it's a game of quantity. Yes, बिल्कुल.
MOQ is
This particular design, Pune based brand.
Yeah.
It's called Tandra.
तंद्रा.
इतना बड़ा साइज चार्ट है ना? Look at साइज चार्ट भी बड़ा है,
Yeah,
प्रिंट
yeah.
भी आगे पीछे स्क्रीन्स बड़ी है.
Yes.
यहाँ पर भी स्नेक्स जा रहे हैं.
It's a
These
nice
snakes are
one.
supposed to be coinciding.
Yeah.
यहाँ पर तो सिलाई में भी बैठ के एक पीस बैठ के आराम से करना. ऊपर
हाँ.
कोइंसाइड हो रहा है, लेफ्ट में कोइंसाइड हो रहा है.
हाँ.
ये उसको चाहिए 50 पीस.
50 पीस.
Yeah.
50 पीस कैसे?
Exactly, right? We don't
This
have
is a
any other
fine
choice.
work, like-
This is a very fine work.
work.
Yeah.
I like the collar.
Yes, they
It's so
have
nice.
catered it to the yoga plus streetwear niche.
Yoga plus street.
Right? उनका so again he wants 50 pieces.
हाँ.
So 50 pieces ये इतना screens करके overheads. There's something
हाँ.
called overheads
Overhead
also.
cost.
Yeah, overhead cost.
Overhead
That is not, we cannot, वो overhead cost becomes negligible in
हाँ.
quantities of 1000 pieces. उसमें हम जोड़ते भी नहीं है
हाँ.
उसको costing के
नहीं
अंदर.
जाएगा.
50 पीस के में हमको वो जोड़ना पड़ता है.
जाएगा because overhead cost. Let me explain what is
Overhead. Yes,
cost.
yes, tell them.
Overhead cost is something that अगर मैं 50 पीस बना रहा हूँ और अगर मैं इसकी डिलीवरी इधर उधर भेज रहा हूँ, फैब्रिक मंगवा रहा हूँ, पोर्टर कॉस्ट, एवरीथिंग, दिस इज कॉल्ड द ओवरहेड कॉस्ट.
Yes.
I'm just clearing this.
Yes. Yes. ये सारी एक्सेस बहुत नेग्लिजिबल हो जाती है क्वांटिटी रहता तो. अगर
हाँ.
क्वांटिटी नहीं है तो फिर ये सब भी जोड़ना पड़ता है.
क्योंकि अभी मैं क्या देखता हूँ ना कि कई सारे जो नोएडा बेस्ड मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं, इन पे लोग आते हैं एंड व्हाट दे डू इज कि वो बोलते कुछ और फैब्रिक है
Yeah.
और फाइनल प्रोडक्शन में कुछ और दे देते हैं
Yeah.
टू मेक देयर मार्जिन.
Oh, that is messed up. That is messed up.
yes that
Yeah.
happens.
वो नहीं करने के इनको सिलिकॉन वॉश चाहिए इसके ऊपर.
हाँ.
राइट, इसके ऊपर सिलिकॉन वॉश करा गया है 50 पीस के लिए. तो वो सब करके इनका जस्ट 50 पीसेस per cost that we
Per
sold to them 1300.
1300 per
per piece.
That's a manufacturing cost.
हाँ वो हम exactly we don't want to do this kind of
Manufacturing
business.
cost 1000.
Correct. है ना, सिर्फ 50 पीस करने पे.
50 पीस पे. Okay, okay. So
exactly.
I get the
So
point.
that is why I'm asking everybody, avoid it.
हाँ.
Try to aim for quantities.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quantity or I can say how you can play with it. Like
Yes.
there's a surplus market. Okay, in Delhi and everywhere.
Dangerous.
Right.
Okay.
So you can go there, bring the
Fabric.
Yeah, roll. है ना? Keep it. Use as much
as you want,
and keep the fabric so you can maintain the quantity for a longer time.
Sort of dangerous. वो surplus fabric क्यों उस market में end up हुआ है, उसके reasons.
Yeah, मतलब depends कि तुम कहाँ से खरीद रहे हो. Because there are, मैं कई सारे suppliers को जानता हूँ, they sell pretty good, है ना? If you test them also, they find 99 to 98% fine.
Okay.
0.2% defect, that's why that is in surplus market.
Yes.
And I don't think as a brand, new brand, it won't affect you. But
yeah,
international brand, they keep everything, tracked, so they don't use it.
True.
अगर dye में भी थोड़ा issue है तो they will discard it.
Definitely.
So that is the main point of it.
But the same t-shirt, when you manufacture, let's say at least 500 pieces per color,
500
cost will easily drop down.
How much will it cost if I want to create it for like 500?
Maximum
2 color.
हाँ,
if we'll see.
हाँ ठीक है, 2 कलर भी कर लो, चलेगा.
2 कलर, right?
Yeah, same print है.
Yeah, क्योंकि 50 पे 1000 तो बहुत ज्यादा है.
Yeah, maximum cost 350 rupees.
350
maximum cost.
Nice. So I'm going to put his number in that. You guys can check it out. He's
yeah. There's something brutal that I've experienced in the past 2 years. We've manufactured for at least 100 to 150 brands.
Yeah.
उसमें से regularly हमसे purchase कर रहे हैं वो है 30 to 20 max.
यही आता है.
And remaining, you know what's bad? मैंने January 2023 में शायद से जिनको सप्लाई किया है 50 pieces, 100 pieces, उसके Instagram ads मैंने कल देखे Instagram. Like ये टी-शर्ट मैंने सप्लाई करके 1 साल हो गया है, अभी तक इसके 50 पीस खत्म नहीं हुए. That is so
50 पीस खत्म हुए.
Yeah,
so I think
they're working hard, man. See, they're working hard.
Working hard is not going to get you anywhere. I like you have to do things parallelly.
Yes.
Right. If you are not able to sell 50 pieces, my point is कि मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
You have to have a plan how to sell before you create the product.
Yes.
That is my point.
Yes.
If you don't know how am I going to sell this one, right? कि अगर मैं 100 पीस बनवा रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास एटलीस्ट 50 पीस बेचने का तो वो पहले से फिक्स हो कि हम
बाकी के 50 कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट में निकल जाएगा. चलेगा.
Work on your distribution before manufacturing, because अभी I went to see this guy for like manufacturing guy. I told you I met a few people, young people, wearing blue, orange, and all the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, they were trying to get into this, and I talked to them, and they don't even have the trademark registered. They've been running the brand for an year. Okay, have the inventory stack up of 5 lakh stock. Okay, ठीक है, that happens.
Yeah.
That's not a big deal. You can get recover of it. But my point is, you don't have have a trademark. This is the basic to start with.
Yes.
This can fuck you up in the long
run.
Right? This can really fuck you up in the long term. Or like I asked them a simple question: why are you creating this? What is your purpose? Like
actually, that is an important question.
Like,
उनका purpose brand बनाना है, उनको बस पैसे कमाना है.
Like suppose if I'm a brand. As a person, I'm a brand. I must have few characteristics to work.
Yes.
Like कोई sustainable brand है, so they will only create products which are sustainable and eco-friendly to the earth. Something like that.
Organic cotton. Yes.
Something like that. So you should have this kind of characteristics as a brand. Also a story, what your brand resonates with.
Yeah.
Right. Like my brand is all about training. We will never be a streetwear.
Yeah.
I don't have any interest with that.
You won't sell brands. Yeah, makes sense.
I don't relate myself to that.
Very good.
I am all about fitness.
Clarity.
And I am here to create something that can help
Inspire
you with the training.
Yes.
We solve that problem and we create apparels only on R&D basis. We create product, test it, destroy it on the track, and then we create something that our data tells it कि हमें ये change करना, this should change,
True.
That's how we create.
True.
Okay, that is our brand identity.
Yes.
That is, as a brand, if a brand is a guy or person, he will act like that.
True.
So you should have these things clear.
True.
This people don't understand this. They just understand कि भाई एक लोगो लगा दिया, ब्रांड नेम लगा दिया, क्वालिटी बना दी, ठीक है, क्वालिटी बना दी. क्वालिटी इज एक्सपेक्टेड. यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि इफ एनीवन इज पेइंग 2000 रुपीज, ही विल एक्सपेक्ट क्वालिटी बट मोर.
यस,
क्वालिटी से ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करता है इंसान. लाइक नाइकी लोग क्वालिटी के लिए भी खरीदते हैं, बट उससे ज्यादा इट इंस्पायर्स पीपल. इट गिव्स देम अ स्टेटस टू आई एम वेयरिंग अ नाइक.
करके ध्यान ही अलग होता है.
यानी जब हम बच्चे थे तो हम कोई भी नया शूज या वो पहन के हम जिम जा रहे हैं तो अलग ही फीलिंग आती है. भाई साहब मैंने नया जूता पहना. सो समथिंग लाइक दैट.
यस.
एंड दे लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डिडंट हैव दैट आइडिया कि हम ये क्या कर रहे हैं.
मेक सेंस
है ना. सो लाइक यू मस्ट बी मीटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ दीस काइंड ऑफ पीपल.
एंड मैं कितनों को बैठ के समझाने बैठू, राइट?
नहीं,
I'm like okay fine, बनाना है, बना के दे दिया. तुम सही लो.
You're manufacturing. That's your work. Like that's a smart work.
Consultant नहीं बैठा हूँ मैं.
नहीं मतलब I share these things because I've been there.
Yeah.
Okay. I have started from scratch.
Yes.
And I'm not a very big brand. I'm just
correct.
Doing fine.
True.
Okay. Not saying कि भाई हम बहुत पैसा कमा रहे हैं.
नहीं.
We're just doing fine.
Direction सही है, लेकिन धीरे से चल रहे हैं.
I'm just saying कि whatever you do, like I'm just sharing what mistakes I've done.
Yes.
What I've learned.
Yes.
In this, while creating the story behind the brand.
Yeah.
So you like I'm just sharing that कि भाई ये थोड़ा सा ना देख के ये चीजें create करके how really things work, how anyone can resonate with this product or any kind of product.
Yes.
You should have a basic sense of human psychology, human emotion tap in करना तुम्हें आना चाहिए.
Yeah.
How are you going to tap that in?
Yes.
Because that will help you sell.
Yes.
Like there's this brand. I don't know if you've heard of it. March Tea.
Everyone knows it. Yeah.
I like that brand.
Yeah.
Very nice brand. Like,
Yes.
they have a very clean brand identity also.
Yes.
Very clean
Yeah.
stuff they create.
और उनका brand it talks.
Yeah.
It tells कि उनका target audience है corporate
corporate
जो काम करते हैं.
They have a very eye for detail.
Yes.
That what I admire.
I can see that on their website. Yes.
Yeah. They state that they makes one of the best teas in the world and they stand to it. The price point is right. The eye for detail. Every detail is right.
Yes.
Everything is right according to that.
True.
You should be like slowly building that up. And अगर तुम ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि भाई एक साल में ब्रांड तो नहीं बनता.
Exactly. You know, I want to tell something to these youngsters who want to start their own brands. You know, कि the success rate for creating a brand and then selling it properly is actually a little less. And I mean, like, ठीक है, less की बात नहीं है. Time. It is going to take time.
Yeah.
If you are not willing to wait for that long, and maybe it can happen that you spend 2 years working hard, and then it might not work out also.
Not work out.
So if you are, और वो हजम करने की बात थोड़े में होती है, थोड़े में नहीं होती है.
Yeah.
अगर if you cannot हजम कि तुम्हारे 2 साल वेस्ट शायद जा सकते हैं, then I would really recommend कि they get into selling to wholesalers, like offline.
B2B.
Yeah. That is better if these guys are looking for, earning money and all.
Earning money. Yeah, वो तो है, but
genuinely
it's about what's your vision for 5 years.
Yes, 5 years. Yes.
Because मैं अगर अपनी स्टोरी बताऊं, like
tell me.
like हमने यहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे दिन देखे ना कि मैं इधर कमाता हूँ, मैं इधर लगाता हूँ, इधर कमाता हूँ, मैं इधर लगाता हूँ. I'm a trader also. I've been a fitness trainer also.
Yeah.
I've been a yoga trainer, nutritionist.
Yeah.
And so I come from that background.
True.
My expertise come in fitness for like a decade.
Yeah.
Over a decade.
Yes.
So what I do is I don't have a backing.
Yeah.
Nobody's backing.
Bootstrap. Nice.
Bootstrap थोड़ी नई लैंग्वेज में लोग बोलते हैं तो बट इट्स लाइक कि ठीक है किसी के घर वाले होते हैं वो. आई डोंट हैव इट.
मेरे बलबूते पे. Nice. Yes.
I made it. I am like मैं अपना कमाया हुआ खुद पैसा लगा रहा हूँ.
Yes.
Right. But the thing is always that gets into my mind. There is no balance. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि बैलेंस, भाई कोई बैलेंस नहीं होता. There is no balance. मैंने रात को 3-3 बजे बैठ के नोट्स लिखे हैं.
Yeah.
you're going to sleep, you get an idea, you write it down, and then
So
you
true.
modify it in the morning.
So true.
right?
Have you experienced this? कि best चीज, best ideas
रात को
नींद के
1-2
पहले
बजे,
आती है.
हाँ,
You know, सोने में बस धीरे धीरे नींद आने वाली, और तब जितना दिमाग चलता
हाँ,
है ना,
फिर नहीं आती नींद. फिर नहीं आती नींद. तो ऐसा होता है. ये मतलब ये कोई वो नहीं है. इट्स नॉट अ सोशल स्टेटस.
yes, it's not.
It's just your zid. What you're trying to do.
हाँ,
What you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Like मैं 3-4 इन्वेस्टर पिच में भी फेल हुआ हूँ.
okay.
I didn't know how to pitch भाई. ये मेरा काम नहीं है.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
शुरुआत में यार.
Embarrassment. कि भाई they were like कि भाई इसे मतलब ढंग से पिच करना नहीं आता. He doesn't even भाई that is not what I do. But 2-3 बार किया, 3 बार किया, 4 बार किया, तो I'm
समझ गया.
getting pretty like
हाँ.
मेरे को स्टैमरिंग इशू भी है.
हाँ हाँ,
Can you see कि मेरा स्टैमरिंग इशू है
बहुत
भी?
कम है अभी.
बहुत कम है. So that gets better. That's how you get better. That's how you create product better. That's
Nice.
how you do better. You
More
don't-
iterations.
Yeah, you don't have to like wait for perfect timing. Why must do?
Yes.
Just do it.
Yes.
Just do it.
शुरू करो.
Nike का जो I'm a big fan of Nike also. Why just do it? The way they portray it, the way they showcase the product, the way they inspire, and the way they dominated the market. Adidas been around, Puma been around.
Yeah.
There's this new brand, Lululemon also grabbing things, but the Nike is Nike. Something like that. That's what I inspired to create, because there's no international brand in the market, sports market,
Yeah.
which comes from India. No, there's
True.
nobody. I think, and I think कहीं ना कहीं मुझे potential दिखता था. Untrained can do it. This is a name that anyone can resonate.
Yes.
Why? Because untrained, trained. So मेरा basic psychology पता क्या था नाम रखने के पीछे?
Tell me.
I'll tell you. You'll be like भाई क्या है ये? Like लोगों की आदत होती है जो उन्हें कहा जाए वो ना करें,
हाँ.
उसका उल्टा करते हैं.
अच्छा, तो अनट्रेन बोल रहे हो, लोग ट्रेन करेंगे.
Yeah. So that comes like
काफी सही है.
that comes like that.
Simple है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
simple as that. There's no big story ऐसा कि ये किया वो ना. भाई simple, basic. मैं एक दिन बैठा था, मेरे दिमाग में आया कि भाई ट्रेन बिकॉज ट्रेनिंग से मैं बहुत रिलेटेड हूँ. तो मैं
हाँ.
ट्रेन, तो मैंने कहा भाई इसका उल्टा करके देखते तो अनट्रेन, ट्रेन अनट्रेन,
बस.
अनट्रेन.
भाई,
तो
तुमने शुरू
that
किया.
gets it. That's get it.
बस.
So वहां मुझे क्लिक हुआ कि नो भाई this
ये नाम सही लग रहा है.
Yes.
इसमें किक मिल रही है.
इसमें किक है. बिकॉज
Yeah.
लाइक कोई भी बंदा अगर वो जॉगिंग भी करता है, ही नोज व्हाट ट्रेनिंग इज.
या.
माय ब्रांड नेम से ही पता लग जाता है कि ये क्या ब्रांड है, ये
Yeah.
क्या कपड़े बनाता है. तो यार सबसे पहले तो ये है कि भाई नाम ऐसा रखो, पहली क्लियर कर दे चीजें, आधी चीजें क्लियर कर दे, पता लग जाए
Yeah.
कि ये करता है. ऐसा रखना चाहिए भाई. ऐसा रखो ना. ये क्या है, मैं ऐसे कई सारे जैसे ब्लू ऑरेंज के जैसे मैंने 5 ब्रांड देख लिए. ब्लू शेड, ब्लू मैंगो.
Oh God.
हाँ भाई मैंने उसके ऊपर वीडियो बनाई हुई है पूरी.
Okay. देखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, मैंने वीडियो बनाई हुई है कि भाई ये नहीं करना है. You should not do this, because if you're doing this, you're just
Another copy.
copy. Like I will never resonate with that kind of brand.
Yeah.
Right. That brand will always makes me think of the original brand. You get my point, right?
Yes.
है ना?
प्राइस
तो-
पॉइंट पे खेल रहे हैं वो. या.
कोई फायदा नहीं. लॉन्ग टर्म है नहीं कुछ. तुम जल्दी खत्म हो जाओगे अगर तुम अपना कुछ नहीं बना रहे हो. राइट. यही होता है. अगर तुम ऐसा कुछ नहीं बना रहे हो, अगर तुम कॉपी बना रहे हो, तो यू विल ऑलवेज बी रिमेम्बर्ड एज दैट. तो एटलीस्ट डू समथिंग ओरिजिनल, और एटलीस्ट लर्न हाउ टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम समथिंग, नॉट गेट टोटली कॉपी. Inspiration is fine, totally copy is not fine. Like I also see a lot of things which I get inspired of, but I modify things at my level.
Yes.
Kind of thing कि मैं इसे ऐसे modify करूंगा. ये थोड़ी ना कि मैं बिल्कुल कॉपी करके रख दूंगा. ये तो भाई बिल्कुल that will destroy my own identity.
Yes.
Something like that. So वही. And I like what you did with them, like the marketing trick you did.
Yeah. People know.
I don't know, people know, but I know. I
Tell
saw
them,
that
tell
video.
them.
I saw that video. So he made a copy of Blue Orange.
Not a copy, man. It was original. Yeah.
I mean original, but kind of that, right?
Uh-huh.
Same,
Yeah,
exact.
exact.
Like I think he matched the same quality also.
Yes.
Okay. And he sent it to them. कि check this out, I made this for you, not for he even put a detailing on it, not for sale, only for
तो उनके देखने के लिए है.
that's what I like, the eye for detailing है ना. And I guess उन्होंने किया भी था उस पे फीचर,
वीडियो बनाया है उन्होंने.
हाँ वीडियो बनाई थी. तो I like this kind, you have to be discreet if you are thinking like it's a race, everybody is trying to win. If you want to win, you have to outsmart the other people.
Yes,
that's what you have to do.
That is pretty basic. See, I wanted to approach a good brand.
Yeah,
and everybody in my
that's
city,
the way.
सारे manufacturers call कर रहे हैं, email कर रहे हैं, call कर रहे हैं, email कर रहे हैं, उस पे reply नहीं आ रहे यार.
नहीं आते भाई.
तो I was like, भाई दिल्ली तक जाना तो मुश्किल है. बना के भेज देता. I did that with so many brands. काफी अच्छा response rate है. काफी अच्छा response rate है.
How many brands really converted from?
अगर मैंने I think with that method I had a success rate of 65%. I would
65 is too much.
नहीं, it's really good.
Yes. Yeah, तो that's what I'm saying. That is too much. Like
yes.
65 तो बहुत
That's good enough. That's good enough.
देख लो भाई, सीख लो. This is what you have to do. If you are in the manufacturing, you have. I'll put a link of that video. You have to check that out. That's a nice way to catch someone's attention, to show what you are capable of, what you can create. Don't let the product speak for itself. You don't have to speak.
Yes, true.
Yeah, let the product speak for itself, right?
Yes.
तो ये लोग नहीं समझते. Like मुंह से बोलते हैं भाई करके दिखाओ ना. Then you do. Like tell us something about what really goes on behind manufacturing. Like how you started. Tell your story. थोड़ा बहुत. Give them a brief.
Okay, yeah. So I was born and brought up. I'm a Gujarati. Okay. Right, but I was born in.
Yeah. I can.
Acha.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I was born and brought up in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. And the main occupation there is manufacturing garments.
Yeah.
So over time, I tried running a restaurant. I tried teaching French. Did a lot of stuff. But at the end of the day, पता चल गया कि भाई अपने लिए home ground advantage तो इसमें है.
इसमें ही है.
Yeah. Started off with that, and kickstarted from there. And now we're here.
So how, like, I want to know कि starting कैसे हुई, like how you
as a manufacturer?
हाँ, as a manufacturer.
Initially I started off with
पहला client क्या है?
No clients.
Okay.
2 years I was running my own D2C brand.
D2C brand.
Yeah.
What was it like?
It's called Dastan.
Dastan.
Yeah.
What was it about?
It's nowhere around now, but yeah, it was mainly about manufacturing hoodies.
Okay, hoodies.
Yeah.
Only hoodies.
Yeah. Yes.
Purely hoodies.
And I really did everything I could. I did SEO. I did so much more.
That totally.
And I was pumped up. Like जोश रहता था, आग जलती रहती 2 साल तक. But then at the end of 2 years, I realized, okay, I'm growing older, and I need to have a consistent source of revenue.
Yeah.
And so at that point, I realized, okay, brand banana hai, but I think revenue is more important right now.
Yeah.
So I think I should shift to that. So
long term,
yes. So I was like, the brand side में चलता रहेगा. Let us also focus on B2B. Let us cater to other brands.
Yeah.
And I started catering to other brands, and this became so addictive.
The
revenue from this
creates instant money.
Instant. I mean, not exactly instant, but reliable, something reliable. Something. So over time, I really lost interest, I would say, on the branding aspect. And I was like, I think this is more interesting. यहाँ पर और मजा आ रहा है. There's more creativity here. There's more detailing here. Right? Every brand needs something different. सबके specifications अलग है.
Yeah.
So every order के साथ कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. So I liked that, on a day-to-day basis कुछ अलग fabric बन रहा है, कुछ नया fabric source करना पड़ रहा है. That was really good.
Another struggle to that. There's another story to that.
Yeah.
So, happens with me also sometime when I sit down and think of it कि भाई how are you going to do that? How are you going to do that?
Yeah.
But getting good response now. I think I'm on a right track. Right track.
Yeah.
I know my people. I know my cult.
Very good.
I know how I can create a good cult.
Very good. Man.
There's a few friends also who help me out with that. And really, you have to have your people,
like-minded people.
Yeah, like-minded. If you think you can do alone, you can't go that far. You need to have right people around to help you out time to time. Not help you out, at least spread the word, wear your stuff, share it on social media. At least do that. Because I've seen strangers becoming my friends.
Wow.
By this, they are really.
I think that is the real, win for you.
Yeah, like they are the real customers. Because if you're thinking कि भाई मैं बनाता हूँ और मेरे दोस्त खरीदेंगे और ऐसे नहीं बिकेगा. You have to think कि भाई strangers खरीदेंगे कि नहीं.
Yeah.
कोई और खरीदेगा कि नहीं.
Yeah,
right.
Makes sense.
कपड़े तो सब बना रहे हैं, तुम्हारा क्यों खरीदेगा? What will it Do.
He has to resonate with something with the brand.
Yes.
And hopefully in your brand it's you.
Yeah.
People will resonate with you.
It revolves around.
Yeah.
There's a long story which I've created. I'll tell it in some other video.
Definitely.
How it started, how it's like the whole journey, the struggle. That is, and I really enjoy it. मेरा फंडा एक ही है, like if I get broke, I get broke. It's not a regret.
It's a part of the journey.
Yeah, I've been my fair share of money. I've done good in trading,
Yeah.
to be honest,
Yeah.
and I'm pretty good at it.
Very good.
So if anything doesn't work out, I can still have anything like
Options?
yeah,
Okay.
that. So I do still that, like मैं अभी भी करता हूँ trading side by side, but not full time because I like to, you know,
Run the brand, yes.
run my brand. Running brand is basic. That's the base minimum.
Yeah.
You have to think outside of the box. You have
Yes.
to be the main source of inspiration for everybody.
True.
You can't be just running, because if you're not charged, nobody's charged.
Yes.
You're the battery.
Yes. बिल्कुल
You're the
बिल्कुल
battery.
तुम में पहले जोश होना चाहिए.
Yes, you have to create social events around it. You have to create every
Pop-ups, so much more.
pop-ups, workouts, community workouts. I've done it all. Like I've trained 30-40 people at a single time.
Nice.
Yeah, and everybody is wearing untrained.
Oh, that's so nice.
Another kind of mark.
I think वहाँ पर तुम्हें मजा आता है. Like भाई ये देखने में अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah, भाई यही तो main है. That's what untrained is about. It's about community. It's about getting people together, working out, sweating. Like that
Yes.
is the main thing.
Yes.
It's not about clothes. Clothes is a one part that shows that you are in a part of a community. So you have to get that going. Have to get that helps people also move,
True.
because we don't create apparel to just you walk around here.
Yeah,
and there.
yeah,
No.
makes sense.
You're wearing it for the training.
True. Yeah, sure.
Audience की भाई product बनता कैसे है, क्या pricing आती है, तो you'll get an idea
Definitely.
of the product and what kind of printing does works on different kind of
Okay.
fabrics.
Okay,
So
okay.
we'll start with this one. Okay,
Yeah.
there's a nice design going zigzag. Okay, you guys can see
people
that,
see it?
and
I
I
hope they can see
love
it.
the collar design. That's
Yes.
my favorite. So tell us about the costing.
Yeah.
100 MOQ. हम एक बार बात कर लेते हैं 100
Okay.
and then we'll talk about 500. So
Okay.
people get
Yeah,
an
makes
idea.
sense. People can get an idea.
हाँ, and
Yeah.
how much days can you deliver if we create delivery time?
Yeah, makes sense.
Idea
Yeah.
to
बिल्कुल
get there.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Okay.
देखो बनने में 2 weeks में पूरा बन जाएगा.
हाँ,
पूरी
एक बार
तरह?
दिखा दो एक बार
Yeah,
ऐसे,
yeah, sure.
है ना? So they'll get an idea.
Yeah,
of
this is the front. This is the back.
Okay.
The snakes go all around it.
Uh-huh.
They coincide at the shoulder stitch. They
Okay.
coincide at the side seams
Okay.
and everywhere.
Okay.
So yeah, that's
How
how
much
it works.
this one?
So
cost?
this at just 100 pieces,
Yeah.
I would say anywhere around an approximate range of 700 to 750 rupees per piece.
You can do
just
it
for 100 pieces.
700 to 750
Correct.
for 100
Yeah, I'll
pieces.
tell you what all work it has.
Yeah.
It has let's say okay, the fabric is basic French terry.
Okay.
It is silicone washed.
Yeah.
Bio wash से भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा soft, smooth आ जाता है feel.
The
And
feel.
yeah, and पीछे इनका ये Inception का logo है,
Yeah.
right? वो
That's-
high density है.
Okay. High density heat printed है.
हाँ, नहीं वो वाला नहीं, screen वाला high density.
Okay.
Yeah, again this is also यहाँ पर भी high density है इनका logo
Okay.
and इनका
Moto.
and then ये पूरा snake जो है ये पूरा puff है,
Puff.
पूरा puff है.
Puff print. Yeah.
इतना
I can see that.
all over
This looks
puff.
nice. This
Yeah.
looks nice really.
Yeah, so ये एक पीस के लिए इनके लिए अलग से पैटर्न बनाना है. इन्होंने अपने हिसाब से स्लीव्स
Sleeve length
कस्टमाइज
हो
की
गई.
है,
Yeah.
नेक भी इनके हिसाब से कस्टमाइज्ड है.
पैटर्न तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा. हर
करेक्ट
के लिए बनाना पड़ेगा.
करेक्ट.
So how much will it cost अगर हम 500 pieces की बात करें?
Maximum 350.
350. You can do it 350
Finished. Yes.
with the printing, everything, the
Everything.
rib and
Yes.
the logo print also.
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
This one's nice. Okay, so let's talk about
yes, and acid
this
wash.
one.
ये
Acid
ट्रेंड
wash.
हो रहा है आजकल, बहुत
Yeah,
ट्रेंड हो रहा
I
है.
think this is the next trend because a lot of manufacturers also like offering very low MOQs on this one, like 10 pieces. I don't know how are they getting their profit margins. Don't know, but
नहीं वो बल्क में बना के रख लेते हैं.
Yeah, but
there's a
that's
few guys in the city जो बना के रख दिया.
capital stuck, yeah.
Exactly, capital stuck. True.
And if you're getting it from someone who's making same product for a lot of people, how are you going to stand out in the market? I don't get it.
Definitely.
Like that's not a good move as a brand. So show us this
Yeah,
acid wash.
yeah. This is called acid wash.
Yeah,
Again, yeah, इसका भी 100 pieces would be the MOQ.
100 pieces.
Yes.
Minimum is that.
Yes,
And
yes.
how much this cost minimum? If
Plain piece?
Yeah, plain piece.
Without-
Because this is a plain piece.
No,
right?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Yeah, without any printing on it, I think I would say 275 to 280 rupees.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, ballpark.
270 to 280.
Yeah,
Plain.
plain.
And what kind of printing does this work on this kind of design?
इस पे any कुछ भी printing हो जाएगा. That's not an issue.
Screen
Yeah, yeah.
printing,
Screen printing
heat
होगा,
printing,
high density
vinyl,
DTFs.
whatever
बिल्कुल
you want to.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. That's not a
Okay,
problem.
nice one. I think this is the next trend, and I'm gonna keep this one for myself.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is acid wash.
Yeah,
This is optic wash.
optic wash.
Yeah,
Okay.
some people don't prefer that. Some people want this.
Yeah.
You know, it's
This
got a
is
slight
Better
faded
than
effect.
that.
Correct.
Yeah, faded
correct,
effect is
correct,
much better.
correct.
I like if this is a bit damaged also. You know,
हाँ,
the
distressed बोलते हैं.
yeah,
Yes, वो भी करवाते हैं.
distressed.
बहुत लोग करवाते हैं.
Zara look.
Yes,
Zara does that.
True.
I love that kind of
true.
t-shirt. So how much this one
Same,
cost?
same as that.
Same.
Yeah, yeah.
100 MOQ.
Yeah.
If we go for higher
Higher
like
MOQ
500,
cost will easily go down.
how much will it go? Like
Uh,
कितनी जा सकती है max? To get an idea, people get an idea.
with acid wash,
Yeah,
I think 240, 250 में भी हो जाएगा.
240 तक आ जाएगा
आराम
with
से.
printing and everything.
Single color print? हाँ,
Yeah, single
हाँ,
color print.
आ जाएगा. ये single color print ही कराया है इन्होंने.
Yeah, double color तो 10 rupees.
थोड़ा
add up
10-20
for
रुपए.
that.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. You get it. ठीक है. This one looks very nice. Like,
Yes.
very nice. And
This one, take it out.
show this one.
This
I
is
really like this.
Made of
this-
interlock.
Yeah. Like-
Lovely print. The पीछे में pigment printing है.
Pigment.
Yeah,
printing.
it doesn't, it goes along with the fabric. Doesn't feel भी नहीं होता है.
Screen का ये
Correct,
वो है
correct,
part है.
correct.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
This is nice. This one is nice. This is also screen, right?
नहीं, it's DTF.
DTF.
Sticker.
Okay, sticker.
Yeah.
ये long last नहीं करेगा, but
ये I think
ज़्यादा।
40 washes
हाँ,
यानी
हाँ।
1 से 1.5 साल.
1 से 1.5 साल. DTF इतना ही long last
Yes,
करता
yes.
है,
Screen,
because-
अगर if you want something that lasts forever, then I would say screen printing. ये
screen
तो
is preferable.
कपड़ा फटने तक क्या पड़ेगा?
Yeah. Because ये thread को ही बिल्कुल वो करते
अंदर ही
हैं।
चला जाता है. Correct.
Yes. How much this one cost with everything, like with the print, this print,
Yeah.
the piece you have,
This dude ordered 100 pieces.
100 pieces,
We sold at 475 each.
475. That's much higher, right?
Interlock again.
But MOQ is the main
Yes,
issue.
yes.
If we go for 500 pieces, how much will
Yes,
it
now
cost?
you're talking.
Yeah.
With print
Yeah.
and everything finished, I would say 235.
235 will
Finished.
get
Finished.
with printing, with front printing,
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
Okay. You are definitely getting my order. We'll see.
Exactly.
Okay, so we have
Yeah.
this
So yeah, this particular T-shirt, this everybody knows wrong.
wrong.
Yeah. So
So-
how I approached Blue Orange, I approached it wrong also.
Okay.
Last year, I manufactured
they
samples,
respond?
and yes, they did respond.
Yeah.
Apparently,
Did you get the
their
order?
their payment cycle,
Okay.
it works like I supply the goods and then they pay me 3 months later.
So this credit
3
base.
months, yeah.
Everybody should know कि भाई कपड़े के काम में credit का काम चलता है.
Yeah,
It gets
some manufacturers, I don't work with that. I
Yeah.
require my payment terms are more like advance and then before dispatch.
Payment terms 50-50.
Yes, correct.
Something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ऐसे.
yeah.
That's more comfortable. 90% ऐसे चलता है. बहुत 10% कभी कभार रहता है brands who think that they're very established and उनको credit चाहिए.
Yeah. They send
Yes.
you their term sheet
Yes.
and then they proceed.
True.
Sometimes like I've done a production for 2 brands. Their NDR was like कि 80% before, 20% after the quality
भाई वो
check.
भी चलेगा
Once-
यार. वो तो इनका तो 100% after 3 months.
No, 100%. Like, why will I stuck my
Exactly.
capital for
Exactly.
you, right?
Exactly.
And if you are this kind of wrong kind of brand, you're gonna take 1,000 basic t-shirts.
Yes.
That's the baseline you start
yes.
with, right?
Yes.
They will
काफी
not-
बड़ा investment है. Yeah.
Yeah, like I won't be doing that. Like, at least give me 50% now. Then okay, ठीक है, 20% अटक रहा है, बाद में देखेंगे.
हाँ.
चलेगा. Shows the
Yeah.
product and
Yes.
so this screen printing at
In
the
the back.
and front is
High density printing.
high density.
Yeah, it's called tone to tone.
Tone to tone.
Match
Yeah,
करता है fabric के साथ.
same color.
Correct.
Same color.
Yeah.
How much will this one cost if we go for basic?
100 pieces
100 pieces
same man
for
catch हो जाएगा easily. You're looking at 700 to 750
700 per piece.
Yes.
Okay, if
Let's
we
say
go for higher like 500 pieces, how
yes
much will it
yes HD है तो इसके लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा
cost? Yeah,
275
275 for 500
per
and
piece.
per piece. If you want to create like 2-3 colors, that
हाँ
is
बिल्कुल हो
doable,
जाएगा
right?
या बस print same रहना चाहिए.
Print same
Let us not
रहेगा.
make new screens. Let us not, you know,
yeah, that I understand. That's a overhead cost that
बिल्कुल
people-
that is actually not the main cost. There's actually टाइम का कॉस्ट है. वो
Yeah.
स्क्रीन से उतारो, दूसरा लगाओ, उसमें जो आधा एक घंटा वेस्ट
Same,
करो, फिर एक पीस
same,
मार के
right.
देखो सही आ रहा है, धोके देखो.
Yeah.
एक स्क्रीन चलाया, हम चाहते हैं कि वो कंटिन्यू करे.
Okay. So
Yeah.
shows the screen at the back,
या
detailing of it. There are 2 colors. Okay, so जितने colors add होते जाएंगे, that adds 10 rupees plus for the screen.
एट दैट क्वांटिटी. हाँ
Yeah, 10 rupees.
काफी
That's
उस
the
क्वांटिटी पे.
basic rate, I think.
बिल्कुल.
And wash कब तक रहता है इसका?
स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग का
Yeah,
दिक्कत
yeah.
नहीं है.
High density also.
हाई डेंसिटी का दिक्कत है. हाई
कितना
डेंसिटी
मतलब?
मैक्सिमम 40 to 50 वॉशेस. उसके बाद में माइन्यूट क्रैक्स यू विल सी.
एक साल तो रहेगा.
एक साल तो
उसके
आराम
बाद
से
कुछ
रहेगा.
देखने को मिलेगा तो ठीक है. हाँ भाई, एक साल तक तो
Yeah.
कपड़े फेंक ही देते हैं.
या
बेसिक वेयर तो खराब ही
Yeah.
हो जाता है.
यस.
ठीक है. नाइस. सो वी आर
या इन केस यू नो एनीबडी वांट्स denim patches,
या
some you know
so this is a Amiri inspired, not the copy.
Yeah,
Inspired.
inspired,
I'm really
yes.
clearing this out. Okay.
yeah. So again Amiri inspired. It's got denim patches. उनके ऊपर acid wash किया गया है. Then you
Okay.
get this look.
Yeah.
People can get this done with their own branding as well.
Yeah.
पफ प्रिंटिंग हो गया, स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग हो गया,
Puff
बहुत
printing.
खेल चुके हैं.
But this really
कुछ
lasts
हटके.
long.
अरे forever ना, इसका तो
Yeah, it's
निकालना चाहो
forever.
तब भी नहीं निकलेगा. हाँ.
तब भी कपड़ा ही बिल्कुल वो हो गया.
हो
right?
गया है.
ठीक है. दिस इज बेसिक. सो इसकी क्या कॉस्ट आती है? बेसिक कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस वन लाइक 100 MQ.
ये इंटरलॉक पे है.
हाँ.
बट या फ्रेंच टेप पे भी हो जाएगा.
हाँ. Fabric can be changed.
Yeah,
This
definitely.
fabric. We're
Same
talking
thing.
about the one you're holding.
450 rupees.
450 rupees, 100.
Yes.
Goes for 500. What change? Price?
वो 500 pieces.
Yeah.
और काफी नीचे आ जाएगा ना.
100, 300.
उससे भी नीचे है.
उससे भी नीचे.
हाँ 250 max.
250 max.
Yes.
For minimum
500
500 pieces. Colors can be
बिल्कुल
2, 3.
बिल्कुल
work.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, say let's say again another Amiri inspired piece, right?
Amiri inspired.
Yeah.
piece.
So this was ordered by a wholesaler in Delhi.
Okay.
1000 pieces.
1000 pieces.
Yeah, 1000 pieces में ये जो टी-शर्ट का कलर है ये
हाँ.
5 colors.
5 colors.
हाँ, एक
1000
pink,
में मतलब
pastel blue,
200
pastel
each.
yellow. हाँ 200 each. Correct.
200 per color.
और जो टी-शर्ट का कलर है एम्ब्रॉयडरी कलर मैच करेगा.
मैच करेगा. हाँ,
बस.
सेम मतलब.
हाँ
that
हाँ
goes with
तो
that.
सेम एम्ब्रॉयडरी.
Okay.
We finished it at 235.
235
Everything
for
included.
1000 pieces.
Yes.
5 colors included.
Yeah.
What was the sizing of it? Like SML?
SML, XL, double XL.
Double
इसका
XL.
chest you could say 38 inches. Yeah,
So,
correct.
अगर डबल एक्सएल तक जा रहा है तो साइजेस के अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस का कोई चेंज
नहीं. This is average pricing.
दैट्स
Yes. He
सबके लिए
wants
सेम.
he wants one piece in each.
ओके
That is how he is selling to retailers.
Okay, get it.
Yeah,
Okay,
average pricing.
get the point of it.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Lycra, it's like
people, you
95%
can-
cotton, 5%
you
lycra.
can see if you want to create Amiri, like not Amiri, that's a D product. Okay,
But-
something like that. You can contact him. I'll put his number. He is gonna be available to entertain you and tell you about these things.
Definitely,
but don't
definitely.
create D. Okay, create
Yeah,
your own
yeah.
product. I'm not advising that.
Yeah.
Just for educational purposes.
Yeah. People are running crazy behind 240 GSM French Terry.
yeah.
Check it out. You know, touch
Yeah.
it, feel it. What do you think? This is 240 GSM interlock.
Yeah, nice. But भाई ये बहुत भारी है. I'll
French Terry भी हाँ, like, yes.
Personal वो
हाँ, true.
मैं अगर ये पहन के जाऊंगा भाई मैं पसीने में बह जाऊंगा.
हाँ भाई उसका लेना देना नहीं है ना.
सही.
वही tier 1 target audience
हाँ.
को तो they need heavy stuff. They need
हाँ.
you know, good drop.
But हाँ, I mean if your audience is that is
True.
fine. That is not what I prefer. But this is a
Definitely.
fine work. This is a fine work.
Yes.
As a product, this is fine. This
Yes.
is finished. This can sell like if,
4 digits.
yeah, आराम से. This is a nice product. If you put a good
Branding.
not branding, design, something
Yes.
like that. Branding, like अब वो जमाना मुझे नहीं लगता कि है कि you can just put a logo and sell. You have
Yeah.
to have a nice design. People are getting creative, है ना? And people want design,
Yes.
like different kind of design. What kind of creativity can you do?
genuinely.
something like that. And there are a lot of homegrown brands that are getting, मैं बहुत सारे brands देखता हूँ अब, and they're really doing the craft. And I think कि आने वाले 5-10 साल में we'll have much bigger brands from India,
Yes.
D2C brands,
Yes.
and I'm seeing that, and until will be one of those definitely.
Very good, man. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's a kind of growth.
That you see.
Yes.
Very
And I
good.
think
I like
the
the vision.
manufacturing is also changing globally from China to India.
Yes.
Yeah.
In some cases.
Yes, in a lot of industry cases, है ना? And I think that is a very good position for ourselves to get into this industry.
Correct.
And this
Right
kind of
time.
industry. Yeah, right time to grab this hyper growth.
Correct.
Like, I'm a stock market guy and I track every market.
Yeah.
And what I'm seeing right now is very positive for India globally.
Okay.
Very positive. Especially 2-3 industries are going to boost. Clothing is one part of it. Textile is one part of it. That is main. Because अगर तुम globally देखो, every brand goes to China to create their products.
Yeah.
Every brand. China, Bangladesh, Vietnam. Zara creates their jeans from Bangladesh. H&M creates their jeans from Bangladesh. H&M do have
H&M
some
की
manufacturers
short,
here. I've made a video on it, but their main production is Vietnam, Bangladesh, China. So India is not near. There's a lot gap to cover, and India has that credibility of quality
True.
in products, and
True.
I think that will help us to
Scale.
grow.
Yes.
Yes, time to, like, if you're anybody thinking to get in clothing industry, get educated and then push it. Don't
Push it.
rush it. Take slow. इंटर्नशिप करो कहीं, किसी
Yeah.
एक्सपोर्ट हाउस में जाओ, किसी मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास बैठो, सीखो. जल्दी में नहीं, सीखो. बिकॉज अगर तुम जल्दी करोगे, मेरे साथ हुआ है, द मिस्टेक्स आई हैव डन,
Yeah.
आई रिग्रेट सम ऑफ दोस्त कि भाई मैं थोड़ा सा ना स्लो हो सकता था. मैं थोड़ा सा किसी के पास बैठ के मैन्युफैक्चर में बहुत मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के पास गया हूँ, बहुत सारे. मैं वहां बैठ के सीख सकता था थोड़ा. मतलब वो गलतियां मुझे कॉस्ट करी हैं, मतलब पैसे कॉस्ट करी.
Yes. Yes.
वो गलती मैंने पैसों से सीखी है, जो कि मैं वैसे भी सीख सकता था. That's my point. That's what I do to share this kind of stuff. So that people
Somebody
can,
will learn. Yes.
yeah, people get an idea, because this industry is very, खुली हुई नहीं है. लोगों को कुछ ज्यादा नहीं पता होता. मैन्युफैक्चरर्स भी ज्यादा बताते नहीं है, कोई
Yeah.
चीज ज्यादा बताता नहीं है,
Yeah.
है ना?
Makes
बड़े
sense.
मैन्युफैक्चरर्स जो भी हैं, जो भी
Entertain ही नहीं
exporters
करते
हैं,
very
वो
much.
किसी को एंटरटेन नहीं करते ज्यादा, राइट? सो यू डोंट नो द ट्रांसपेरेंसी, हाउ द थिंग्स वर्क्स.
Yeah.
बिकॉज तुम किसी मैन्युफैक्चरर, बड़े मैन्युफैक्चरर, मतलब वो इग्नोर करते हैं. दे डोंट टेक यू सीरियसली, एंड समटाइम पीपल डोंट हैव द राइट अप्रोच.
True.
They don't even know how to create a tech pack.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Like tech pack में क्या क्या होना चाहिए, the
Yeah.
detailing of
Oh
it.
yeah, I started this recently.
हाँ.
People approach me, and if I realize कि वो beginner जैसा लग रहा है, मैं उसको sample tech pack भेज देता हूँ.
हाँ.
भाई ये देख ले किसी का है,
और
इसमें इस तरह हमको specify कर दो तो हम
Yes.
easily बना पाएंगे.
Yes, because
Yeah, that
as
makes
a
sense.
manufacturer, you don't have the third eye कि भाई वो क्या सोच रहा है ना.
हाँ.
You have to be specific with
हाँ.
everything you want,
True.
right? कि create a good tech pack. Mention everything. Mention every detail of
क्या
it.
क्या
What you
चाहिए.
want.
Yes.
The thread.
Yes.
What kind of thread? Even the thread. When I create a
हाँ.
tech pack for any manufacturer,
हाँ, हाँ.
I create technical products. So I have to be very specific with every kind of thread that I'm
True.
going to use
True.
as a detailing, because
Yes.
sports performance is for performance.
Rough and tough.
Rough and tough. You have to
Wear and tear
create a
काफी होने
product
वाला है.
that will sustain in the major intense moments.
या बंदा रोज पहनने वाला है, workout
Yes,
पे है.
फाड़ने वाला है, right? ऐसा नहीं है कुछ भी. वो
Yeah,
ज्यादा
ऐसा नहीं है. Correct. You're right.
इसके लिए भी अगर आप ऐसा भी प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, तो भाई create like a tech pack which contains every print size, कहाँ होगा,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Every detailing, the placement of it,
True.
the neck placement, what
True.
kind of neck you want, the rib, what kind of want, the rib structure, the sleeve structure, drop shoulder, whatever you want, mention it there,
Yeah.
right? The size chart you want, S में मेरे को 30 chest चाहिए, M में मेरे को 34 chest चाहिए, mention that shit.
True.
Because people lack there.
Yes.
Then they think कि भाई manufacturing या production में कुछ गलती है.
Yeah.
They blame that.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Okay. अपनी तरफ से जितनी
स्पेसिफाई हो सकता है उतना दे दो. Yes, true that, true that, true that.
तो सामने वाले को पता रहेगा ना.
I've faced this.
Must be having some.
Yeah. बताया नहीं उन्होंने.
experiences with that, right?
Genuinely यार चेस्ट में प्रिंट है.
हाँ.
बताया नहीं कि ऊपर से 3 इंच रखना है.
तो वही
4.5 इंच रख दिया. बहुत नीचे कर दिया भैया. अरे यार you didn't specify anything, man.
yes. So create. That's the basic part to start with.
Yeah.
Create a good tech pack. Get an NDA होना हो फिर भी चल जाता है, बिकॉज इंडिया में बातों पे ज्यादा काम चल जाता है. कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है. टेक पैक इज द मेन क्रूशियल. गेट अ कॉस्ट शीट ऑल्सो कि भाई कितना कॉस्टिंग आ रही है, सब चीज तुम्हें पहले ही पता होनी चाहिए. देन यू क्रिएट विद द प्रोडक्ट.
True.
So this is the basic that you can get. Like this is the basic approach to any manufacturer if you want them to take you seriously.
Yes.
Any kind of manufacturer will take you seriously if you
Actually, I don't want to have to ask 10 different questions, yaar. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because like मैं कितने export houses से मिला हूँ for my entry brand, they don't take you seriously if you don't have the right approach, if you don't have this kind of stuff ready, because they'll identify you as a beginner and they'll know कि भाई you're gonna दिक्कत करने वाला है. he is a bit inexperienced and तो फिर वो नहीं entertain करते. if you want anybody to anybody like कोई भी बड़े से बड़ा एक्सपोर्टर भी आपको तभी entertain करेगा if you have the right approach.
Yes.
this kind of approach. वरना तो it's ठीक है जैसे ही चल रहा है फिर तो ऐसी है. मतलब मैं शाही एक्सपोर्ट भी गया हूँ.
Okay.
उनसे ही मिला हूँ. their minimum MOQ is 5,000. they create for Gymshark.
Yeah.
Okay, Gymshark, Nike. Okay, they don't have Indian manufacturing. They create their product in Vietnam and all. They have the units there. They have minimum 5,000 and
MOQ,
they also like work like this. Like they have very vast kind of term sheet. I can't say कि भाई वो बहुत बड़ी है.
Yeah.
वो बहुत ही डीप हो जाएगा अभी.
Makes
तो
sense.
अगर मैं बताने बैठूंगा तो वीडियो 2 घंटे और लंबी होगी. ठीक है. बट माई पॉइंट इज अप्रोच.
Yeah.
Get a right approach.
Yes.
That's it. So we are almost done for today. My friend here from Tripur came all the way to meet us, sit down, clear some myths that goes around, clear some air कि भाई कैसे कैसे really works, चीजें कैसे work करती है. So this kind of products he creates, but these are not the only product that he creates.
True.
He can create anything if you have the tech pack ready. Again,
We can still help with the tech pack,
Yeah.
बहुत beginners हैं जो आते हैं.
Yeah.
We can help them with that.
yeah, he can help you out with them. So if you are anybody or a new brand trying to starting out and don't know, or if you are established brand also, you want to create very good quality, like I can really assure you these are very good quality what I'm seeing right now. And so get his number, talk to him and connect with him. Maybe something will click and you guys can work it out. And I'm here to help, just sharing my journey, what I do, what I'm creating, and just sharing my personal journey also कि भाई क्या क्या problem आ जाती हैं, so that you guys don't have to deal with it. So this is for today. I'm your host Dipanshu at Untrained, and my friend here from Tripura. Sorry
त्रिपुरा सामने है.
वो थोड़ा मेरा stammering type, मेरा थोड़ा stammering type.
It's not just you,
Yeah.
people go there. आप त्रिपुरा से बोल रहे हो. त्रिपुरा असम में एक शहर है. हम तिरुपुर है.
Tripur. Okay. So I'll see you next time. This is for today. Bye.